everyone, it's Ashley with Southern Sewing Company, and I'm back today to answer the last question that I received the most about how to hand embroider a swaddle blanket. So the past few days, I've had several videos out explaining the answers to different questions that I typically receive with the hand embroidered swaddle video tutorial. And today I'm answering a question from Stephanie from Instagram who wanted to know more about the stabilizer that I use and why I like it. We're gonna dive right in and I'm gonna show you how to use it, why I use it, and where you can find it. And today is gonna be all about stabilizer. I get this question so much. This is the Bro Thread wash away stabilizer that I purchased from Amazon. I've tried several different types of stabilizer on the swaddle blankets and none seem to work very well, or I just wasn't happy with them. This is my absolute favorite because this material actually kind of mimics that of the swaddle, and I like that it's not too stiff. I use the sulky stabilizer a lot, which is sticky, but I find it's a little overbearing for this delicate material. So this is definitely my favorite. What I typically do is cut off a pretty good sized piece. I take my name from Canva and I trace it directly onto the stabilizer. And I use a water-soluble marker to trace directly onto my stabilizer. Thank you for your question, Stephanie. I know you're not alone in questions with stabilizers. I hope in the future to put out an Instagram video all about different stabilizers and which ones I recommend the most. So stay tuned for that. Don't forget to like and subscribe for future videos. If you have more questions, please feel free to leave them below. Even if you are going through my tutorial and having trouble, I'm always happy to troubleshoot with people. So send me a DM on Instagram at Southern Sewing Company. See you guys soon.